Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about some interesting topics. Some companies they might have Citrix virtual apps and desktop, and then VMware Horizon virtual apps and desktop. But if we have two infrastructure in your environment, you need to have separate URL to access them, right? So this is a Citrix site, and then this is a VMware Horizon site. So now, if suppose if user could have access from both the environment, Citrix as well as the Horizon. If they want to access their application or desktop, they need to connect a separate URL to access them. So now we'll try to access that Citrix application. So you have separate URL for Citrix access and then VMware Horizon access. So let me access Citrix. So now I can access Citrix VDI like desktop, the server desktop. Let me log into VMware Horizon as well. So in this video, our main intention to integrate both the environment apps and desktop into the single URL without having the separate URL. User can log into one URL. In under one URL, user can see both the applications like from Citrix application and then from VMware Horizon application. They can see in the single console. For right now, if they want to access, they need to use individual URL to connect to the respective application site. Okay, so for that we need to configure VMware Workspace 1. So I already configured that VMware Workspace 1. So by having this tool, we are going to integrate in the single URL Citrix and then VMware Horizon. Okay, so already I did the prerequisite and configuration. Just we are going to add it now. Okay, let me check the session details also. So right now you can see a Siva user has connected to the Citrix VDI server desktop. So you can see, right? Also go to VMware Horizon. So desktop. You can see Siva user right now connected. Okay. So let me log off the sessions now. From Citrix also I am logging off. So let me show you the workspace URL. So this is the workspace URL. So VMware workspace URL. So it will be looks like this. So let me log in and then I will show you. Right now user will not have any access here. You can see, right, nothing is there under app. So once we integrate a VMware Horizon and Citrix into VMware Workspace 1, a user can see the application under single URL from the both the environment Citrix as well as VMware Horizon. So let me go to VMware Workspace 1 console. So this is the console for the VMware Workspace 1. So just go to resource. So you can see, right, so virtual apps collection. So under this option, we are going to add our Citrix environment as well as the Horizon environment. So click new. See here you can see, right, so we are going to integrate any one of this one. For now we are going to integrate Citrix and then Horizon. So select Citrix. So I need to mention the delivery controller address here. So this is the storefront URL. Click add. So I'm going with the default option here. So quick save. So now we added Citrix under virtual apps collection. So now I am going to add VMware Horizon. So here I need to mention the connection server address here. So now we have added both the environment Citrix and then Horizon. So it's not synced, so you will not get the list of application which is available on the both the environment here. So once you did the sync, and then we can see under virtual apps tab what are the application already we have it in the both the environment. It will be available here. Just go to here, select, click sync. So just do the same for Horizon as well. So now both are completed. Just go to virtual apps app. So now you can see the two desktop icon which is available on the Citrix, and then this one which is available on the Horizon. So now go to accounts, go to user group, just select all user, just go to the application, add entitlement. So add this one. So again go to Citrix. Now we have added the two icon to the all user. Just go to Siva user. So it's assigned to the CUI user because you did the assignment for all user. Okay. So now go to workspace one URL. So you can see, right? So this is the workspace one URL. So now you can see both the icon here which we added in the VMware Workspace 1 server. So just launch the Citrix VDI. So I launched the Horizon desktop as well. Let's see whether we can access both the desktop or not from Workspace 1 URL. So now we can access a desktop from the both the environment in the single URL without logging to the respective access URL. So by having the VMware Workspace one, we can integrate Citrix and then VMware Horizon into single URL. It's for easy access for the end user. So let me go to Workspace one console under monitor. You can see the user session details also here, currently how many user connected to here. Also you can see whoever logged in recently, and then what kind of applications we publish. So right now you can see two icons are available, like application Citrix VDI 2022 and then Horizon Desktop 2019. So also here you can see Horizon Desktop 4 times it's launched. Oh, sorry, it's a license type. So here you can see, right, Citrix desktop launches almost 28, and then Horizon 4. Okay. Also under, if you go to report, it will show the resource entitlement. So how many users is assigned, like that you can get it. Okay, because we assign to all user, right? So that's why it's showing. So this is a simple way to integrate Citrix and then VMware Horizon into VMware Workspace 1. In next video, I will show you how to deploy the VMware Workspace 1 and then how to configure this connector server to sync the directory, and then Kerberos authentication method, something like that. I can explain you in the next video. Thank you.